So what we got in the shop today is not the typical BMW we're looking at. We're actually looking at a Miata 1.6 liter motor right here. And we are starting from scratch on a build. This motor was blown up. It shredded about every single one of its bearings on this man himself. We got the pistons. We got a fresh block, cleaned, painted, honed, and we are going to start reassembly now. And hopefully in due time, we will get this 1990, is it?
Yeah.
This 1990 Miata NA back on the road again. Let's see it. So over the block here, we're actually gonna start by checking our piston end ring gap. We got a feeler gauge, and I got the top compression ring. Let's see what we're looking at here. You wanna try and get it in here even? Just like that. Take the feeler gauge. Start with 6/1000. It's not very even. There we go. 13 fits. That's right. I'm pretty sure. I gotta double check our sheet here, but I'm pretty sure that's right where we want to be. Okay, so we verified all our ring gaps are in spec. So now we're gonna get started by putting the oilers on the pistons themselves. So we're gonna start with these guys. Look at this dude.
Engine building 101. We're going to talk
Yeah, we know what we're talking about here.
I love when I get stuck in the other ring.
There's one completely done. Okay, so now that the block is fully cleaned, we're gonna start by putting the pistons in. The one thing we forgot is we forgot assembly lube. And normally I would not do this, but...
We're going in dry.
No, we got some. We're gonna run it with motor oil for now, just for the pistons. And when we do the crank and bearings and everything else later with the head, we're gonna run assembly lube, and I'll get some in the cylinders for it. But for now, it'll work. So we missed a step, but on these Miata motors, there's a dimple on the face of the piston here, if you want to show that. That dimple is going to go towards the front of the motor. So now we got it in the piston sleeve, and we are going to hope for the best here. Just like that, that's piston number 1 in.
Perfect.
Yeah, that was the method. Because that's in there nice. A little showing. That looks pretty good. Run it. Look at this one. Just keep that, dunk it, and then tap. Okay. That one go all the way. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, we are finally getting somewhere now. All the pistons are in, all the rings are sat. Now next we got the crank install with the bearings, and then we can work on stripping the head for the lifter cleaning. But I'm pretty happy with this. We're making good progress now. Summer, so wonderful. Okay, so we're back the next day, and we are going to start by putting the crankshaft in with all the main bearings and rod bearings. We're going to get that all torqued in.
Some assembly lube.
Big cap on there, yeah, it will. Yeah, that would be kind of nice. Ooh. This way. Crankshaft's going in and kind of have them all horizontal to start. Now we're going to need to line some up. Let's do it like this. No way rotating. Rotate towards me. Well, we're gonna have to move the cylinders. Pistons.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Okay. Where's the impact? Passing the torch to Garen. We got the first turnover.
Lefty tighty, right?
Yeah, whatever. That's good.
That's gonna spin.
So here it is. The rotating assembly has been completed. We've got, let me pull the pin here. Got all the bearings together. All the rods are torqued. All the main caps are torqued. So now Garen here gets to move on to the head work.
Yep.
We're going to clean the lifters and hopefully get that on with a fresh head gasket. And then a couple nights worth of work and she'll be back in the Miata.
Ready to rip.
So we happened to miss a minor step filming this. We got the head on last night. We're working on the thermostat right now. We're gonna get this thing timed real quick. Get all the accessories on, hopefully.
Yeah. And we took the cams out and all the lifters and cleaned them, so hopefully no more lifter takes.
Average Miata. But hoping that everything will turn out all right.
Yeah, good. That's right enough. You recording? Yeah. I think so. Let me try. Yeah. I can just hold it one then. Yeah. If you don't want to do one.
This is attempt number 1 of Miata start. Oh god, I'm nervous. Let me get my flashlight ready. I think we're good. Check for what. Yell when you got oil pressure. really out of time, but yeah. Here, I can do everything else up here, so let's do this stuff. How much pressure is on the inspection? What's it at? It's at like 80. It's pretty high, isn't it? I mean, it's full of oil and yada yada, but here, come take a light. I'm gonna poke over. It's smoky. I don't know what's good and what's bad, so. What's it smoking out of? I can't believe it. I don't think it's timed perfectly, little tick, but we have to open it up anyway, so. Got the e-brake down, pal? First time? Holy smokes.